It's me! I'm back. Did you miss me? Oh, Lordy, look at this hair. Now that I like actually see it, because I only see myself. Now that I actually see what it looks like, ooh, I'm going for that messy look today, but it's actually a mess. Like, it's hot. You ever like have one of those days where you're just like, I'm just gonna let my freak flag fly with my hair. So just ignore it. I am here to do one of my favorite things because I have a second. Notice how quiet it is in this house. My baby's sleeping. My sons are out with their dad. Praise the Lord. So I can actually do something. So I'm going to do an ombre lip today. I don't have anything on my lips. I've tried to give them a break since I did 103-ish coats of lipstick the other day. I'm trying to give them a break, but I want to do an ombre lip using 3 very simple products. So I'm gonna line them first. Oh, I already screwed up. I have to use a mirror because it's like I have to concentrate so hard on lining my lips, lining my eyes, and doing my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm going to take this liner. I'm going to line most of my lip. Hey, Kel! Yeah, I have to do it with like an actual mirror or it's going to be bad news. So I'm taking this liner and obviously I'm outlining my lips. But I am going to fill like the sides up. I'm going to leave like the middle bare just so you can see what I'm doing. And you can really understand me when I talk like this too, I bet. Okay, like that. Make sure you get like the creases. Creases, corners, whatever. You know what I mean. The sides. Okay. Here's my cat. I'm a crazy cat lady. Seriously. Here he comes. He's gonna like be on my lap in a minute. Hear him? Oh my god, he's gonna attack me. Wouldn't that be so funny? Tell me that wouldn't be the funniest video you've ever seen in your life. I was doing makeup and then my cat attacked me. Okay, so I lined the sides and left the middle kind of bare. I'm gonna put this bad boy of a bonbon over top of everything. I'm being real kitschy with the purple today, huh? No, it matches my eyes. It matches my eyes. Although I'm pretty sure somewhere, written somewhere, it says you shouldn't do that, but when do I listen to anything? Okay, so I only lined them, and then I use this beauty right here all over it. Looks pretty good. It's almost ombre. But I'm going to take it a step further, and I might gross you out a little bit. You might be like, ooh, why? There could probably be other things you could use for this. But in the middle, I am going to put concealer. Like concealer you put on your face. On my lips. And I mean like residual concealer. I might need more. I'm not quite sure. And then in the middle, see? I'm not totally crazy. Not totally. A little. See, and I'm even getting a little bit more. Like the tiniest, tiniest bit. Look at that. Voila. Ombre lip with concealer, a liner, and a balm. I think it looks pretty good, right? I like it. That's the look I was going for. I love ombre lips, and you can literally use whatever you want to do an ombre lip. Look at this, BTW. You can use any products. I put eyeshadows on my lips to get the ombre look. As long as you have like a lipstick, a gloss, a shadow, a liner, so many different things. So there's my purple ombre look. I hope you like it. I'm really loving it. So have a wonderful Friday, and I will see you ladies later.